Hi class and welcome to chemistry. This is Mrs. Ale here. I just wanted to take a minute to show you around the classroom. So when you log in, this is what you will see. It's a little different from last year. The class content is up here. And currently you only have access to the course materials and Unit 1, the study of chemistry. I will start releasing the additional units as we get closer to needing them. So first, let's take a look at course materials. There's lots of important information in here that I want you to access. The first and very important thing is Class Connect recordings. This is very useful if you can't come to a Class Connect one day and you want to review the recording to get your work done. So you can click on that, and when you click on that, a link pops up. It says click here for recordings, and a new tab will open up for you, and it takes you to a Google Doc. On this Google Doc, I will be adding the topic that we discussed on which day, and then there'll be a link to the Class Connect recording. If you hover over it, you'll be able to press Control and click, and it will open up an additional tab that will have the recording. And you can click on that tab and you'll be able to watch the recording. So that's kind of cool. Other important things are, one, the tentative schedule for fall 2016. This may not reflect our day-to-day work, but I just wanted the students that really want to know what we'll be doing all semester to be able to see what I have planned for us. I'll show you where the definite schedule is in a moment. We also have the syllabus and my contact information, academic integrity policy, grading information, and then here's another super important tab. It is called Chemistry Problems and Solutions. You'll notice when you start reading through the lessons that at the end it will say, now work through problem set 3, problems 2 through 5. And you might be thinking, oh my gosh, I didn't even get my materials yet. Where's my chemistry book? Don't worry, you don't actually get a chemistry book mailed to you. Instead, you have an online chemistry book, and you click on Chemistry Problems and Solutions, and then you will be able to access the online textbook. If you click on it here, it will open up the book. You might just want to favorite this page by clicking the star. And what I do is I like to print out the table of contents, because in the lesson it tells you which problem set to go to rather than which page number to go to. So if, for example, you need to work on problem set 12, it will be on page 24. And instead of clicking the over button until you reach page 24, you can instead delete that and press page 24, and then there's this little handy button here that says go to page. Click on that and it will take you to page 24, which is problem set 12. And then it usually has a little bit of reading and some examples. And then the problem set is here where you can complete the questions. This is extremely helpful, and I really hope that you guys all take the time to do these. These are not graded problem sets. Instead, you can go back here and you can get the solution key to check your own work. So you can access the HTML version, which is an online version, or you can get the PDF and print that out, whatever you like. So say we were working on problem set 12. You can go here and you can say, oh, look, okay, wow, I got the right answers. That's awesome. I'm totally understanding this. Or you can say, what the heck? I did not get this at all. I'm totally confused. And then you can come either talk to me during class about it, or also you can email me and I'll be happy to set up a time to work with you on it. So that is that. Let me go back to course materials. I think that is everything in there. Yep. Okay. And then, remember how I told you I had the tentative schedule? Well, I also have a schedule that I update on a regular basis, because sometimes we might take a little bit longer with the lesson and I have to rearrange the schedule a bit. So this is where you're going to see everything that you need to do for the week. I usually update it to the next unit test. So currently I have it up to the mid-unit 1 test. And so you can see what we'll be doing every day. We will be doing class work during the Class Connect sessions. So when you attend a Class Connect session, we'll go through the entire lesson and I'll have you do everything that's associated with that lesson in that 1 hour period. So you should be able to finish your work within the 1 hour period, maybe 10 minutes extra or something, but that's my goal, is to try to get you comfortable with that lesson in that Class Connect period. We have Class Connect sessions Monday through Wednesday. You're going to need to check your Class Connect schedule for the exact times, because there's a few different classes in this classroom. And then we do not have class on Thursday, so that you need to do on your own. And then on Friday, we also have class. So check your Class Connect schedule. Also, if you're a student that is coming into my classroom late, you are not responsible for any of the work up until the point that you have started class. So say you just enrolled with MBCA on the 26th, I would have you start after the mid-unit 1 test. But it is still important for you to review the information from beforehand, because the final exam will have content from earlier in the year. It's our hope that you had gotten that information at your previous school. Okay, and then other than that, the class announcements is where I put important information. I'll also email it to you if I really want you to get it. So make sure you check the class announcements and your emails regularly. And it's going to be a great year. Thank you so much for listening to me. And please get in touch with me if you have any additional questions. Thank you.